Okay, so guys, I'm excited to do this for you. I understand how tasking school work could be. I've been in the system and I know what it is. So we decided to help you guys out with regard to the JSTs, and the JST 123 is here. We help out in 122, and what we do basically is to provide materials, solutions, complete solutions to interested, underline the word interested, students who are in need of complete solutions, okay, to the 10 paper topics. So if you are one of such interested students and you need our services, then you are welcome. You just go through the page. The instructions on how to go over everything is well explained. Just follow the instructions and get what you are looking for. I mean, this is going to be a game changer for a lot of students. If you don't have the time to go through Google and bamboozle the whole place trying to get materials on your own, when you have other equally important school activities to take care of, then you should go for this service. Yes, you should go for this service, and you should hop in right now before it gets too busy. So go ahead, follow the instructions on the page, on this page right now, and get the complete solution to your 10 paper. I really wish you the very best this semester, and I'm looking forward to seeing you sooner or later. Have a great time and stay blessed. Bye bye.